name's Dan. I'm from the United States, from Michigan originally. I'm one of the sales managers for the US market. Originally started in the UK market and kind of bringing on some of our first clients in the UK. And I've been here for about 2 years now, so kind of been around since almost the beginning. I really love my job. I get to do some really cool things. I talk with clients from all around the world, some of the biggest players in their respective industries. So whether it comes to restaurants or retail or anything like that, I get to talk to the biggest brand in the world. Really cool experience. It's pretty diverse. We've got people from all around the world. It's a super diverse environment. We're always doing really cool things. We're always doing events, Oktoberfest when September rolls around. We usually try to get together at least once a quarter and do things, and we kind of just randomly pick things up too, if we want to go for dinner or cook dinner here at the office one night or play video games or something, we're always kind of doing that sort of stuff. So it's a very tight-knit community, which is cool. I would say definitely come work at 4screen. The environment's great. It's very relaxed. We do really cool work. We get to do some really cool things when it comes to ad tech. Play with cool cars all day to kind of check out what we do. And yeah, overall, it's a really great place to work.